How to fix Peacock account not loading after update. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is force stop and clear all of the cache of the application. What you're going to do is first of all go back and then get to your home screen. From your home screen, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then simply remove your Peacock app from background running, right? So what you can actually do is simply swipe up in order to remove all of the background running app and see if that helped or not. And if that did not help, then try to open the settings of your phone. Then from here, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Then from here, what you can do is simply search for Peacock, and when you do find your Peacock application, tap on it and then tap on offload app, and then you'll be able to offload the application. Tap on reinstall in order to reinstall it back on your phone and see if that helped. If that did not help, then try to update your device firmware. Make sure that your smart TV or your streaming device operating system is up to date from the latest version. For that, again, you can get to your settings. From here, you can go back and on your general, you can tap on software update, and here, if there are any sort of update requirement, there will be the option of update. All you need to do is tap on it and then update your phone, right? So after doing all of these, if it still did not work, then try to sign out of all devices, and you can log into your Peacock account on a browser. You can go to account settings and then click on sign out of all devices, sign out of all of it. And after doing all of this, I'm pretty sure that it will actually help you out on fixing Peacock account not loading.